Railway has shifted, is about to shift to Mopa now.
No, the whole thing is there is no intention. Double engine muntai, but double engine a benefit kit aspado. Double engine mucha you should able to convey the message to the aviation minister, Central Union Aviation Minister, and to ensure that you arrange some kind of benefit, some perks, so that all these airlines and all these operators stay here at Daboli. Yes, this is the whole strategy. They want to put blame games and why will not the airlines and this failure लागून व सरकाराचे आज भरपूर त्रास जावपा आहे तांकां अजून कळना एक इलेक्शन येयलां आनी कळ्ळें तांकां मुखायल इलेक्शन इज गोइंग टू बी द सेम वी एन्श्योर द पीपल ऑफ गोवा 2027 हेंक उडोयाय आमकां सगळे जे ऑपोजिशन आहाय तेंक निवडून हाडाय आमगे सरकार घोडाय आम दाबोली एअरपोर्ट सिंगल इंजिनाचेर परत लोकां हाडून दितले सगळे ऑपरेटरांक आम एश कोन लुक्रेटीव ऑफर दितले लुक्रेटीव scheme काढले so that they maintain both the airports. This is what we are going to do and we ensure the people of Goa 3 years before 2027 आम सांगता की आम हे करतले कित्याक हे तेमको जावपाना.